got this little wooden puppet.
I'm not a puppet. I'm a real boy.
5 shillings for the possessed toy. Take it away.
Father, please.
Next, what have you got?
Well, I've got a talking donkey.
Right. Well, that's good for 10 shillings. If you can prove it.
Oh, go ahead, little fella.
Well?
Oh, he's just a little nervous. He's really quite a chatterbox. Boneheaded don't.
That's it. I've heard enough. Guards!
No, he talks. He does. I can talk. I love to talk. I'm the talkingest damn thing you ever saw.
Get her out of my sight.
No, I swear. No, he can talk.
Hey! I can fly!
He can fly. He can fly.
He can talk!
That's right, fool. Now I'm a flying talking donkey. You might have seen a house fly, maybe even a super fly, but I bet you ain't never seen a donkey fly. Seize him!
You there! Ogre!
Aye.
By the order of Lord Farquaad, I am authorized to place you both under arrest and transport you to a designated resettlement facility.
Really? Replied Henry. You in what army?